How to enable home button on hello screen on iPhone iPad devices.
Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you guys how to enable touchscreen home button on any of your iPhone. Maybe if you are done restoring your iPhone and you discover that your home button currently is not working and there is no possible way for you to select language and set up your device. So as you can see, as I'm pressing the home button, is no longer working. So in this video I will be showing you how to enable this home button on your touch screen. So just watch and see how we'll fix this. Now first of all, you realize the power button is working. You can use the power button to turn on the screen, but your home button is actually not working. Now how do we fix this? First of all, you have to download 3U-Tools on your system, and while downloading 3U-Tools, you need to have your iTunes also installed properly on your system. So we'll go to your 3U-Tools and open the software and get this fixed. Now this is iPhone 6s Plus. I'm done restoring the iPhone and the home button is actually not working. All you need to do is locate your 3U-Tools, go to Tools box, click on the Tools box, go to Accessibility. Now on your accessibility, the first option there is Assistive Touch. Just turn it on and immediately it will appear on your phone. Now look at it. I'm turning the Assistive Touch on. Look at your iPhone. Now as you can see, your home button is turned on immediately. You can rotate it to any part of your screen. Now let's set up the device. You can see, click on your home button and select your language and everything, and you realize that your iPhone is working properly. You can connect your hotspot and set up your device. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.